From your weather authority, meteorologist Dan Reynolds.
Welcome back on the Skywatch Network. Terre Haute Chevy Cam. Beautiful picture there. Some big clouds building, but some blue sky. The rain is to the south. Let's check our temps for the day. We warmed to 82, 72 the low this morning, so we continue with those really muggy nights. 83 and 62 are the averages. 0.04 of an inch of rain so far. We're 2.5 now for the month. River's up to 17.2. We're going to continue to see that rise with all the rain in the forecast. I think flooding is going to become an issue along rivers, and certainly flash flooding later in the week as well. It's 81 at the airport. It feels like 85. That's even with a north breeze at 6. That humidity and dew point are up. 72 this morning for the low at the airport. 75 at Vincennes. Highs today, we hit 81 at the airport. 79 at Mattoon. The warm spot was Vincennes at 85. And current temperatures just starting to cool a little bit here and there. We've cooled a little bit at Effingham to 77. 79 with some rain earlier at Olney. 83 at Vincennes. Bloomington checking in at 81. The winds out of the northeast to north, 5 miles an hour, about that average. Enough to kind of stir things up, but it'll be calm overnight. So with all the moisture in there, we'll have another one of those muggy nights coming up. Big picture, a frontal boundary stalling out along our area with waves of low pressure riding across that. So that just means rounds of rain. Take a break, get another surge of rain with storms. The big news, though, look down here to the south. That's Tropical Storm Bill making landfall in Texas. That's going to bring copious amounts of rainfall to Texas, and that moisture is going to make it up here. It'll start to add to the rain totals we already have. So we're looking at rain likely by Sunday again. That's after some heavy rain as we go through the period. You can see the rain right along that frontal boundary. We'll just continue with that. Well, looks like several more days. Maybe start to break the pattern next week. ESP Live Radar showing light showers over around Effingham into Clay County. A little thunderstorm activity there in central Daviess County. And expecting the rain to become heavier and more widespread during the overnight hours. So we could get some good rumbles of thunder with some heavy rain. We'll take some breaks tomorrow, but again, we get these surges of rain moving through with thunderstorms. It's a thunderstorm activity. When they're slow moving, that could dump some pretty heavy rainfall on top of you. Here's one look at 48-hour model as to how much rainfall we're looking at. And we're going to top the 1-inch mark in a lot of areas. You can see at Effingham, also at the airport, Mattoon, Paris. So it's a soaking rain, really heavy over around India, it looks like. RPM model, this goes out a little farther into 5 o'clock. 2 to 4 inches of rain. You add in, Friday night, Saturday, and particularly Sunday. We're talking several inches of rain possible over that time period. So get ready, keep the umbrella handy, and we'll have to watch for flooding late in the week. Showers and storms tonight. Heavy rain possible, low 70. Then tomorrow, heavy rain possible with all that rain, 79 for the high. Tomorrow night, we break the pattern just a little bit. We'll call it occasional showers and storms, less coverage, less intense. 70 for the low, and looking ahead the remainder of the week. Friday and Saturday look to be the best days, just scattered shower and storm possibilities out there. It's still going to be humid, muggy nights, and we're talking about rain likely by Sunday as that tropical moisture from Bill will stream into the area. More isolated Monday and Tuesday. Still warm, still muggy at night. So June, this June, turning out to be a warm month. And also, potentially, it's going to be an above-average month on rainfall. Probably by the end of the week, we will be well above average there on the monthly totals. So I hope you like warm, wet weather, and I hope you have an umbrella handy.
If we don't, then we have to deal with it.
You're going to get wet.
Exactly.
We have the Houston Astros computer system under our desk, too.
Life is choice.
I don't know anything about that.
You know, let's